na naman po yung vlogger po namin. Naka-charge na naman
running
siya.
from our things at once without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up and that we would be the ones.
Good morning, Mishi. Morning. It's the next day. Gagala na kami. So, on the way na papunta sa pick-up point para sa tour for today.
Bukta na maarawan mo.
Para maarawan ka naman.
At ang buhok na gatitog ni Joyan eh. Siguro ito magbagamit ng kaning talo ma. How are you? Good morning.
I'm okay. What about you?
Wow. So, are you excited for today's video?
Kind of.
So, what do you expect on today's happenings?
I expect that I'm gonna have fun and that Mishi won't poop on the boat.
Hi, Mishi.
We're standing alone on Broadway and Third, minding my own little life, looking for some kind of life, and that's when you caught me.
They're still over there looking for us.
I have a green umbrella.
They should be able to see it, huh?
I'm 6'3".
Welcome to Central
Standing by a
Park.
tree.
Tayo di Central Park.
He is announcing co-op.
Dinatay mo pa yung Central Park.
Hindi kasi nga daw makikita mo lang naman daw doon halaman.
Hey guys, so they made us take videos of them. We're in Central Park and I asked this lady who's filming me to take a picture of me. She did not understand the assignment.
Don't bash me.
Seeing you next to me, where would I fall? Oh, you got a hold on my heart, not leaving, baby. I know that you've become my number one. We live in a time where love's hard to find. Seems like for all that we know, still searching for something to hold. But baby, I know that every day something new to explore. You open my eyes to a world that's singing but I never heard.
Ito yung vlogger namin, may tripod pa prepared. Prepared sa laban.
How are you doing? Tell them what you did. I pooped a lot. It's enough. It's enough. Wow. Gusto lang lagi nag-binky. Binky all the time. Ha? Binky all the time. I can't reach. You here. Ito kami ni Tito, ya. Yan, oh, look at you. You do your own thing na Oh, then let's take a photo. Bakit tatlo kayo? Wala nang kuryente.
Breaking out in the best of ways, and I'm back again on the street. But then out of the blue, a wind starts blowing in a way so new. A world more exciting than mine is holding up a great big welcome inside. Life is for living. Let's see
Joya! Yee! Welcome to the vlog!
Okay, to my classmates, I know dang well that you're watching this. And I know that you've been texting my friends, whatever. Okay, womp womp. I don't really care because I'm on a boat ride. I'm in New York, so... I'm feeling.
Ang prinsesa namin, very ano. Hala, very excited. Excited. Very happy. Very happy. Very happy. Aba. Happy ang balino. Daddy, paharap mo kasi siya doon para ano naman. Ang ganda ng outfit niya ngayon. Oh.
So that's a really pretty place to visit. Governor's Island, right out there. You'll get your shot of the Brooklyn Bridge, and I get a better shot of the
Welcome to New York!
Welcome to New York. New York.
Not only the first closest statue bridge, but the very aesthetic.
So now we're doing the boat ride, and we've seen a lot of things here so far. We've seen the Statue of Liberty. We're having fun and all that.
You can stay with them.
But somebody said there was gonna be food here. There's no food. They went to change Mishi right now, so it's just me and Tita Make. There's no food here. And when I told Tita Mac, he said that we're gonna have food after, like after this. I'm craving noodles, dude. I'm craving like hot pot or like a California roll.
Hello, Mishi. Mag-iit na sila, Mommy, Daddy, Tita, and Lala with the princess. Ikaw, tapos na yung lunch mo na. Show your smile. Show your toothless smile. Anak, kasi malapit ko nang magpapit. Smile. Smile. Mishi ko. Nice. Daddy, i-moisturize na natin. Ang dry na naman kasi maano siya ng electric fan. Yung abino na lang, yung maliit na blue. Moisturize ikaw, ha? Opo. Kasi ang dry na naman ng skin. Ang dry ng skin. We have bibimbap. Where is our tteokbokki? Ooh, I like that.
Wait.
Nice! No, may sila
Rice cakes.
ang tananin kayo put the toy in front of her, the crocodile.
Mak.
Oh.
Give me one.
Again? Igabay mo na tatlo. Thank you.
When it's night time,
This rusted gate you see here, this is the gateway that the Titanic survivors walked through in 1912. New York City was the destination for the Titanic, and the survivors had to be sailed to their destination, and then they would...
Dahil na naman po yung vlogger po namin. Naka-charge na naman siya. Siya po ang official. Yung mga clip po na makikita nyo sa vlog na ito ay kuha po ni Mudra Kels.
Siguro.
Nagiging kagaya na siya ni Grandma mag-video.
okay, I will video, guys. We're going to Times Square. Hopefully, we're gonna go to Minnesota. I already see the Minnesota ad right there, but I don't see Minnesota itself. So this is what I got. I got this
Tinagan
little
na, Jay.
penguin. It's so cute. They have a pop-up restaurant or bar, whatever you call it.
Oh my gosh, Mystic Pop-Up Bar!
There! And it has a lot of flowers on it. Look, show them.
I've been watching this kid pop-up.
Oh my god.
Oh! I've been
Now, Bobby, don't move, okay? I'm going to flip over. What's your name? Joshua? Let's make some noise for Joshua! Now, fellas. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so everybody, thank you for supporting.
Mishi, stop your pooping na naman na. Nag-overflow na nga yung poop mo. Stop pushing it.
Pinato na medyo uboy na.
Stop pushing. Just poop normally. No, do not. Huwag ganun.
Need to rush. Take your time.
Take your
Nagkita
time.
pinagganong tayo sa uboy naman. Oo. Ngato na dyan uboy na. Kita ka babalaghan ha. Katahitay ka.
Mishi naman.
What?
What?
Ito nasayaan ko naman.
Awat? Awat, awat, awat.
Alay, waro niyo nila na.
Haba, 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 haba. Ni, waro naman dito. Haba, 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 haba. Ate, yan lang ang taga-entertain mo.
Yeah.
Malayo pa tayo.